Welcome back to A Night in a Rainforest Part 2. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Bushbabies, or galagos, jump up to 2 meters with their powerful legs, adapted for nocturnal life. Bats pollinate over 500 plant species, ensuring the rainforest's fruit abundance. Canopy frogs breed in water-filled bromeliads, mini ecosystems high above ground. Even at night, social bonds strengthen, monkeys communicate with soft grunts. The upper layers host unique life, isolated like islands in the sky. Flying squirrels glide up to 50 meters, accessing fruits inaccessible to ground dwellers. World's smallest monkeys, marmosets, gouge trees for gum, supporting canopy diversity. Hornbills seal females in nests for protection, passing food through a slit during incubation. Orchid bees pollinate specific plants, their long tongues reaching deep into blooms at night. Slow lorises apply elbow toxin to fur for defense, a unique primate adaptation in the treetops. Tarsiers rotate heads 180 degrees, hunting insects with ultrasound detection in the canopy. Doves disperse seeds far, their gizzards grinding fruit to aid germination across layers. Ant-plant mutualisms thrive high up, where ants defend hosts from herbivores in exchange for shelter. Pottos move deliberately, their spiny necks deterring predators in the nocturnal arboreal realm. Colugo glide over 100 meters, feeding on leaves and sap in isolated canopy patches. Orb weaver spiders rebuild webs nightly, capturing insects vital to the treetop food web. Arboreal chameleons hunt with 200 mph tongues, their grip adapted for high-altitude perches. Gibbons defend territories with dawn songs, but at night, they bond in family huddles aloft. Vine snakes sense vibrations, striking birds and lizards in the swaying upper stories. The only nocturnal simian, owl monkeys use enhanced vision for family-based hunts. Tiny crabs live in bromeliads, filtering detritus to maintain these aerial aquatic homes. Harpy eagles rule the canopy, their 2-meter wings carrying monkeys to feed young at night. Ants farm fungi in colonies below, transporting leaves from the canopy to underground gardens. Wallace's flying frogs descend for breeding, their adaptations allowing treetop escapes. Bark beetles create galleries, influencing tree health and nutrient cycles in the heights. Siamanks, largest gibbons, use throat sacs for resonance, strengthening pair bonds nocturnally. Cacti in trees flower at night, relying on bats for cross-pollination in humid heights. Arboreal porcupines shape canopy structure, their quills protecting against aerial predators. Geckos seedy allow vertical climbs, hunting in the moist, insect-rich upper foliage. This aerial world, a vertical frontier, teems with adaptations forging the rainforest's crown jewel. Hippos spend nights foraging, their skin secreting blood sweat for protection. Crocodiles, ancient survivors, use night for ambushes with infrared sensing pits. Otters hunt in family groups, vital for controlling fish populations in these rivers. Rivers pulse with life, transporting nutrients across the vast rainforest basin. Elephants roam at night to avoid heat, their memory guiding them to water sources. Manatees, gentle giants, feed nocturnally on vegetation, helping maintain clear river channels. Fishing bats detect fish with sonar, scooping them with clawed feet in precise dives. River dolphins use clicks for navigation in murky waters, adapted to low-visibility hunts. Kingfishers hunt by sight even at night, their beaks spearing fish with unerring accuracy. Beavers engineer wetlands, their nighttime work creating habitats for diverse species. Water monitors scavenge riversides, their powerful swims aiding in catching aquatic prey. River frogs lay thousands of eggs nightly, their choruses synchronizing breeding in wet seasons. Egrets forage in moonlight, their white plumage aiding camouflage against starry skies. Electric eels generate 600 volts for hunting, navigating dark rivers with bioelectric fields. Turtles emerge at night to feed, their ancient lineages tied to these nutrient-rich waters. Piranhas hunt in groups, their sharp teeth shredding prey in coordinated nocturnal feeds. Hippopods protect young at night, their territorial grunts warding off intruders. Aquatic nymphs transform at water's edge, emerging as aerial hunters in the river ecosystem. Otters' playful slides serve as social bonding, while honing skills for fish pursuits. Catfish use barbels to taste the water, locating food in the sediment-laden riverbeds. Night herons thrive in darkness, their stocky build suited for patient ambushes. Rays bury in substrate, stinging threats while filtering plankton in nocturnal flows. Water snakes constrict or venomate prey, their buoyancy aiding riverine hunts. Crayfish recycle nutrients, their burrows aerating soil along fertile riverbanks. Bitterns camouflage as vegetation, their deep booms attracting mates across waterways. Arowanas jump to catch aerial prey, their ancient origins linked to Gondwanan rivers. Prawns navigate by chemical cues, forming vital links in the aquatic food chain. Jacanas patrol floating vegetation, males incubating eggs in this reversed role. Lungfish survive dry spells by breathing air, an adaptation from ancient river cycles. These waterways, the rainforest's veins, nourish a serene yet vibrant nocturnal ballet of life. As night deepens, energy conserves, preparing for dawn's renewal in this eternal cycle. Nocturnal hunters rest, having sustained the balance of predator and prey. The rainforest breathes as one, it sounds a language of survival and symbiosis. Primates like chimps dream in nests, connected to our own evolutionary past. As night ends, remember, this wild heartbeat continues, inviting us to protect it. Bats conclude their pollination rounds, having dispersed seeds for tomorrow's growth. Amphibians quiet, their mating songs complete, ensuring the next generation in watery cradles. Predators like leopards seek solitude, their nightly hunts fueling the food chain's flow. Insects, the unseen workforce, pause, having pollinated and decomposed through the dark hours. Arboreal primates conserve warmth, their social structures a buffer against the cooling night. Reptiles regulate body heat, retreating as temperatures drop in the pre-dawn chill. Bioluminescent displays fade, signals sent and received in the courtship of the night. Herds rest vigilantly, their memory mapping the forest's rhythms across seasons. Avian families bond, the night's lessons pass to fledglings in silent watch. Social insects fortify homes, their colonies a model of efficiency in the ecosystems close. Great apes reflect our origins, their peaceful repose a testament to communal strength. Small mammals conserve energy, their quick lives syncing with the forest's daily rebirth. Metamorphosis continues unseen, promising day's colorful wings from night's quiet forge. Aquatic guardians rest, their ancient presence stabilizing the watery veins of life. Diurnal species stir, the handover from night to day a seamless ecological shift. Fungi network underground, recycling night's detritus for dawn's fresh start. Aquatic mammals submerge, their nocturnal forays complete in protective depths. Arachnids prepare for day, their traps having captured the essence of nocturnal bounty. Elusive herbivores seek cover, their patterns a final cloak against the lifting dark. Coleopterans retreat, their roles in decomposition pausing for the light's return. Reptilian masters of disguise rest, adaptations honed by the night's selective pressures. Armored foragers curl protectively, their endangered status a call for conservation. Playful hunters slumber, their energy restored for another cycle in the flowing habitats. Plant life adjusts, the night's blooms yielding to day's photosynthesis in balanced harmony. As pre-dawn quiet envelopes all, the rainforest's nocturnal tale concludes, eternal, resilient, and wondrous. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more interesting wildlife experiences.